Hi mga kapromag! Ngayon ay ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano natin i-enter ang ating tax declaration or tax form. Sa natin kukunin yung form na yan at paano natin sasagutan ang lahat ng details. Okay, actually pangatlo na to sa ating series dahil yung una meron na tayong video na tungkol sa pagtanggap ng ating post mail na galing kay Google AdSense, galing sa post office, kung paano natin i-enter ang ating code na pinadala ni Google AdSense. Okay, second is yung pag-update naman ng ating payment or ng bank details. Meron din tayong video dyan. So, panoorin nyo lang doon. At ito na yung ating third series kung paano naman tayo mag-enter ng ating tax declaration. Okay, let's start. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating Google AdSense account at i-update natin ang ating tax information. Okay, so yan, nakita nyo mayroon siyang warning dito sa taas. Your payment are currently on hold. Action is required to release the payment. So ang gagawin lang natin, pwede natin i-click tong action na to or i-click natin yung update, whichever, kung yung gusto nyo. And then, another sort of warning, AdSense is no longer shows the YouTube metrics. To see your estimated earnings and the other monetization metrics, use the YouTube Analytics Revenue Report. So, ang gagawin lang natin yan, i-click lang natin tong YouTube Analytics. Or kung gusto nyong learn more or kung gusto nyo itong i-close. Okay, so yan ang mga options. Lahat ng blue, clickable yan. Pwede nyo i-click. Okay, at ito yung mga options natin. So, kung mag-update ka ng payment or yung account. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay dito tayo sa payment mode or diretso tayo sa update. Okay, so click na natin yung update now at hintay tayo na next screen. Okay, manage tax info. Nakita nyo, nasa tax info na tayo. Okay, provide or update your tax information. Your payments profile and the country determine how your taxes are collected. Okay, yan yung tax information natin. Okay, so nandito na tayo ngayon at i-click natin ang Add Tax Information. Yan, kasi kailangan ma-verify ni Google na ikaw ang gumagamit ng iyong account. Okay, so kung ano yung email na nakaregister sa inyong Google AdSense, yun din ang gagamitin nyo na email. Login lang kayo and then click Next. Okay, so yan na. Next screen na tayo. Okay, US tax information. To find the right tax form, please answer the few questions. Okay, what type of account? Okay, and then kung individual kayo or non-individual. Minsan kasi mayroong mga corporation na account. So, dito sila. So, tayo, individual tayo, dito lang tayo. So, click natin yung individual and then click Next. Okay, after nun, are you a citizen or resident of the US? Kung kayo ay citizen, yes. If not, so dito tayo sa no. Hindi tayo puti. Okay, brown tayo ay Pinoy. Okay, so click Next. Okay, so W8 tax form. Okay, kamukha rin yan sa BIR form natin dito. Based on your previous selected answer, W8 form is needed. Okay, so ito lang pipiliin natin. Itong W8, this form is most commonly used by non-US. Okay, so dito tayo. Non-US tayo. Okay, so start with the form. Click ulit natin yung start with the form. And then, next screen na tayo kung ano yung susunod natin na sasagutan. Series naman yan, sunod-sunod naman yan. Kaya kailangan nyo lang alamin yung eksakto na kailangan ng Google AdSense, yung kailangan natin na sagutan. Okay, medyo matagal-tagal ng konti, pero darating din tayo dyan. Okay, like ko itong ginagawa para sa inyo. Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating W8 Ben tax form. Okay, so ibibigay niya sa inyo ang number 1, tax identity. Okay, so DBA, ang sabi niya optional, so pwedeng wala yan. And then country and region of citizenship. Okay, so click natin yung ating country. Ayun, element OP, ayun. Okay, so scroll down ulit tayo. And then, quarantine, yan yung PIN number nyo dito sa Pilipinas. So, i-enter nyo lang. Yan, US PIN, leave it open. And then, Okay, just simply click next. Okay, next is the SSTIN or address, permanent address. Okay, nandito na tayo sa number 2. Yun yung pinila pa natin kanina, yung number 1. Okay, so nasa number 2 na tayo. Permanent address is PO Box. You will be required to submit additional documentation. Ay PO Box po. So, hindi naman tayo. So, permanent address tayo. Permanent residence address. Okay. So, click natin yan. Philippines. Street address. Yun. And then, apartment suite. Okay. Wala yan. Leave it open. Okay. So, auto-fill up tayo. And then, province. Of course, Manila. Metro Manila, tama. Mailing address is the same as the permanent address. Yes. So, click lang natin yun. So, same yung ating mailing saka permanent address. And then, that's it. Just simply click next. Okay, number 3 na tayo. Nasa tax treaty na tayo. Philippines and the US have a tax treaty. Okay, so are you claiming a reduced rate or withholding under a tax treaty? Of course, resident of the country claiming treaty. So wala pa tayong treaty, so i-claim natin yung ating treaty. Okay, wala pa tayong kaso doon before, first time. So click natin yung yes, and then resident of country claiming treaty with the US. So click lang natin yan. And then, let's scroll down again. Country, region, of course, pila pa natin kung saan country tayo. Of course, balik ulit tayo sa Philippines. And then, okay, special rates and condition. Ano yung i-claim natin dito sa tatlong options na to? Number 1, syempre is AdSense. Kung kayo ay gumagawa or nagda-download din ng mga motion pictures, so kasali kayo dito. Or nagda-download kayo ng mga copyright royalties, so kasali kayo dito. So, for now, ito lang ang kailangan natin as initial, okay? So, articles and paragraph ngayon. Ito na yung mga sub-menus na dapat natin, wala namang ibang option, kundi ito lang. So, click lang natin yan. And then, withholding rate, of course, reduced treaty. Dahil di naman tayo taga-US, ano? Okay? So, 0 lang natin yan. And then, reason meets the terms and treaty and articles. So, click lang natin to as tax residents of the country. So, click lang natin yan. So, ito, wala yan. Hindi natin kailangan yan. And then, simply click next. Okay? And then, yung number 4 na tayo. I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge. Okay, so ito na yung sample ng ating form. Okay, pwede natin i-click yan para makita natin bago natin siya i-confirm. Okay, so pwede nyo siya i-click para makita nyo yung inyong information. Yan, i-click natin siya and then ang gagawin nyo lang is i-double check nyo lahat ng information kung tama. Okay, so ayan na yung form and then makikita nyo lahat ng inyong details dyan kung tama lahat. Okay, so balik tayo sa ating screen. Yan. Okay, so I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax document. So yan. Click lang natin yan ulit and then simply click next. Okay, so number 5 na tayo. Nasa certification na tayo. And then scroll down your signature na tayo, okay? So, ina-authorize na natin si YouTube na mabigyan natin siya ng authorization. Okay? So, click lang natin ang ating name. Yan. Tapos, are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes. Kung ikaw yung pumipirma or kung meron kang in behalf of authorized, okay? Kailangan mo na power of attorney dyan pagka dito ka. Okay, so click next again. Okay, after we click the next, last option, I am providing tax information for the new or existing payment that hasn't received payment. So ito yung wala pang natatanggap Ito yung previously received. Kung meron na kayo natanggap, dito tayo. Pero kung first time yung mag-apply for the AdSense, dito tayo. Okay? So, first time natin makakatanggap ng payments galing sa Google AdSense. Okay? So, yun ang pipiliin nyo. And then, click Submit. Okay, balikan natin yung number 6, yes or no. Okay? So, hindi natin siya nasagutan. Activities and services. Yes, activities and services are the performance of a service in the US. So, meron ba tayong services in the US? So, definitely none. Okay? For Google within US. So, hindi tayo applicable dyan. So, kaya ang sagot natin dyan ay no. And then, I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliate will be performed outside the US. Yes. Okay, outside US tayo. Okay, and then, ayan, nasagutan na natin kanina. And then, just simply click Submit. Okay, so, hopefully that's it. Yun na siguro yung last question, ano? Yes. Okay, so one more time. Yes, ayun, approved. Okay, nakikita nyo. And then, I claim the W8 form, yung services, and then submit new form. Hindi natin kailangan yan. So, definitely, meron tayong na-receive na bagong email at titingnan uli natin yung ating email. Okay, open ulit natin ang ating email at check natin kung ano yung message sa atin ni Google AdSense. Ayun, Google Payments. Okay, so your tax information has been approved. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Approve na kaagad. Okay, so if there are no other holds on your account and your balance is above the minimum payment threshold that may apply, you will be paid on the timely basis. Yun na yun. Okay, so view tax information. Kung gusto nyo makita, pwede nyo siyang i-click dito. And I think that's it. So, I hope na nasundan nyo. Or kung kayo ay pag-enroll din ng inyong tax declaration, pwede nyo itong sundan and then i-post nyo lang kung saan kayo may stock. O kaya, or one at a time. In series naman yan, sunod-sunod naman yan. Ano? So, panoorin nyo, post nyo, panoorin nyo, post nyo, enter nyo yung sa inyo para hindi kayo nawawala sa mga series ng questions. Medyo mahaba yan at minsan nakakalito. So, ganun lang gagawin nyo. Post nyo lang. Okay, at kung bago kayo sa ating channel, huwag nyo rin kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel, ProMark TV. At meron na tayong almost 3K na subscriber. At maraming salamat po sa mga nagtiwala sa atin, mga subscriber. Dahil tayo po ay patuloy na gagawa ng mga educational, informative, mga how-to, DIY, at mga product review. Okay? Including mga national information. Kamukha niyan, mga COVID-related na videos. Meron din tayo niyan at meron din tayong SSS updates. Yan, updated tayo dyan. Okay? So, marami kayo matututunan dito. At sigurado mag-enjoy kayo sa ating mga video. At kung meron kayong request, huwag nyo rin kakalimutan. Pwede rin natin gawa ng video yan. At huwag nyo rin kakalimutan mag-comment. Kung meron kayong katanungan, meron kayong gustong malaman, or meron kayong gustong sabihin, sasagutin natin yan. Okay? So, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng ating video at patuloy po tayong gagawa ng mga quality videos na katulad nito. So, thank you for watching and always, lagi ko sinasabi, ingat tayo and God bless.
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. Dile, 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 yo, I love it, y'all. Mille, 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 mille,